Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Smeg espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water pump, the one that is located right here. We also deep clean the shower screens, soak them in cafe solution for like a couple of hours while we deep clean everything inside here. We transfer them to hot water and then now they're clean and clear. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sales of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And thankfully we're seeing a nice steady flow coming out of the spouts. Really good karma forming on the top and just working perfectly fine. Steam for this machine is also working very well. We're just gonna have to get the machine up to pressure and then we'll test the steamer. And as you can see, nice steam coming out of the boiler. Even though it's just started to warm up, so it's gonna take a while for the machine to fully get into pressure and then we will test the steam. Perfect. Now that the steam is working and the thermograph at temperature, you can see steam coming out of the spout. I mean the steam one working excellent, really good flow, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Smeg working once again. So thank you so much for the Premier Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day and thanks for watching.